You can get paid by simply writing articles without any experience at all. I will share with you a free strategy that anyone can make it work. Just make sure to follow me till the end of this video, since I will also show you how to maximize your earnings. Just before I start, I want to remind all of you that if you haven't already, to subscribe to my channel Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on, so you're going to get notified each time I upload brand new strategies just like these ones on how to make money online, and you can be one of the first to use them and therefore make the most money. Also, if you like this type of content, you can give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below if you have any question or opinion about this tutorial. So without any further ado, let's begin with today's video so I can show you everything, and you need to stay tuned because I'm going to give you a free tool that is going to help you with all of the hard work. So your very first step is to come over to the first platform for today, which is Google News. So you can go over to news.google.com, or you can search for Google News on Google. So you're going to see over here that you get a lot of articles related to any category. You have a world news, your local news, business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and health. So what you need to do is to just choose a category that you want for now. And for example, I'm going with the health category just to show you an example. You're going to see that they do offer some subcategories just like medicine, healthcare, mental health, nutrition, and fitness. So I'm going to choose nutrition just for the sake of this tutorial, and you're going to just open up one article that you like. So for example, I went for the first one. It's going to take you over to the main website that have this article. So what you need to do right now is to make money with this article. Of course, you cannot just copy and paste it and make money with it because you're going to get copyright issues. Rather than that, what you need to do is to just copy it like this, and you can even just copy one paragraph, or you can copy it all. I'm just going with this paragraph to show you an example. And the next step is to come over to this free tool called Spinbot. This is an intelligent free text rewriting tool. So you're going to paste a text over here, you're going to click on the spin it button. After that, you need to complete this captcha over here, and in the right hand side it's going to give you your rewritten article with unique words. So you're going to see that it's changed, but it got the same meaning, and this is going to make you money actually. And you can even paste the whole article over here because they let you to paste a text with 10,000 of words, which is pretty awesome. I just wanted to show you this paragraph. You can just copy all the article and paste it over here. So you're going to just get that whole article after that, and you're going to save it as a whole on Microsoft Word document, for example, or you can even go over to Google Docs. So our main focus is to just copy an article, paste it over here, and you're going to see that it's going to give you a new article with unique words. So it's pretty awesome because like this you're not going to face any copyright issues. After that, once you get your article, you're going to make money with it. And what you can do is to come over to this platform, which is called iWriter.com. So here people come in order to get some content, and you can just come over here in order to write that content. You don't need to pay anything, so you just need to scroll a little bit down because you're going to find those information that are relevant for you. For example, if you want to be someone that's going to write and earn money, you need to come over here. You're going to find that you can build your own client base. You can earn up to $80 per 500 words. You can write as much or as little as you want each day, and you can choose the topics that best match your background, which is pretty awesome. You can find any category that you want over at Google News, and after that you're going to just paste it over to Spinbot. You're going to get a new article, and then you're going to just deliver it to your customer and get paid for that. As you can see, you can write as much as you want. That's why it depends on you, on how much time and effort you're going to put on this to get the desired results. In order to get started with iWriter.com, just click here on Become on iWriter today. It's going to take you over to this page where you need to put a first name, last name, an email address. How did you hear about us? You can say YouTube, for example. As you can see, it only accepts people from US. You're going to just write something about yourself, and also 200 words in English on the follow topic, and so on. So since this is only available for people in the US, I highly recommend that you follow me till the end because I'm going to give you a website that is also also available for people all around the world. So once you get accepted over here, you can start writing those articles and get paid again and again. And you can just proceed now with the next platform, which is called Text Broker. This is over at textbroker.com, and it works pretty much in the same way as the previous one. People come here in order to get some content written for them, and you're going to be the person that is going to write. You can go over to the I write content section over here, and it's going to take you over to this page. You're going to see that you can earn money writing content, and you can see that it's free of charge. You have flexible time management and reliable payment, which is pretty awesome actually. You can be a beginner, just like I said at the beginning of this video, or even an experienced professional. So it's pretty awesome that because you can just use Spinbot in order to save a lot of hard work. And I want you to go over once again to I write content and then on payment, because here you're going to notice how much money you can make. It depends on the quality of the article that you're going to write, and also on the word counter. If it has more words, of course you're going to get paid even more. So you can make like a maximum of $660 per just one article, which is pretty crazy actually. So you can just click here on the sign up button, and in the next page you're going to just put your profession or field of study, how did you hear about them, and also you're going to put an email address, a password, repeat the password, and then you can sign up. Even this platform just accept people from the United States. So right now it's time for me to show you that website that is worldwide available. This one is called Scripted, and it's over at scripted.com. You can hire freelancer writers to power your content marketing. Of course, you're going to be the person that is going to write that content. You can click on the Become a Writer section over here. It's going to take you over to this page. Here you're going to see all of the relevant information for you. For example, you're going to get competitive pay. Scripted writers made over $1 million in 2020. You're going to see that you can write what you want. You can work anywhere and anytime, because this is worldwide available. As you can see, it works all over the world. You can work with great companies. You're going to build your own portfolio, and also you have some other features as well that you can just read by yourself, because you need to just get to know more about this platform. And in order to apply, you can click on the apply now button or get started. In the next page, you just need to put an email address, a first name, last name, a password, and then create your account. It's easy as that. Once you get accepted, of course, you're going to start writing contents that you like, and then you can deliver them to your customer by using Google News. So as I said before, you're just going to go over to Google News, search a category that you want. You're going to open up an article, you're going to copy and then paste it over to spinbot.com. Spinbot is going to rewrite that article in other words with unique words, and you're going to save that article and you're going to deliver it back to your customer. Like this, you save a lot of time and effort actually. So with that said, guys, this is it for today's video. I hope that you liked it. If you did, you can give it a thumbs up, a comment down below, and also subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World. Thank you for watching.